What is up, guys? So Ray here once again, a Raggedy. Hopefully you guys are all doing fine in this COVID-19. I'm feeling a bit sick, but it's not because of that. My doctor prescribed me some vitamin D, and vitamin D, I guess if you take it and you don't have enough magnesium, according to her, the doctor, you get headaches. So now this headache's supposed to last like 3 weeks, so I've been laying in bed for already like 4 days already, so just chilling there with the headache. And man, so hopefully you guys are taking care of this, this time of year, so especially with this virus going on. So but other than that, this video here is pretty much going to show you the Cobb exhaust. I'll put some videos and some sound effect or some sounds of the way it sounds inside the cabin and outside, and also pretty much freeway driving, and also in the back of the tow hook. So it's gonna be pretty sweet sounding, so hopefully you guys like it. And if you guys like this type of exhaust and it's quiet, you can actually hear people inside, when you're actually driving around with people inside. There's almost no drone, so it's pretty cool exhaust if you want a performance exhaust and still be able to function with everyday life inside the cabin and all. So, and you want to be as loud, of course, but if you're looking for something super loud, then of course this is not going to be the exhaust. So I did actually sell this exhaust and actually switched it out for a whole different one. So this right here, it is the, you can't really see it, but that is the nameless exhaust. So that's what's gonna be the next video, because I actually went with nameless. I wanted more sound. The Cobb exhaust was actually too quiet, so listen up and enjoy.